Welcome to week 16. Okay, so like I said, welcome to week 16, and this is what's been happening this week. So this is how the downstairs is currently looking. So it has started to have plasterboard attached to it. We needed to build this wall out, so we had to double up the plasterboard there. So yeah, the builders have been busy plasterboarding everywhere, ready for our kitchen survey, because we did have Ren in last week and the room wasn't completed enough, so we need to get them back in next Monday. But this is how the utility is looking at the moment. It's actually really cool to see how big it's going to be. Obviously it's quite small, but I thought it was going to be smaller, so I'm happy with how the size of it. And this is where our wall lights are going to go over our quartz worktops, which have been ordered, but I'll save that for another video. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a mist coat on this room. So we are going to be using our spray paint machine thing once again, and yeah, hope for the best. So while that's drying, I will show you what's been going on in the bathroom. We have had the tiles laid, so they have been popped on the floor and around the shower, and now we're just waiting for the adhesive to dry so our builder can grout. So these are looking so good. I just can't wait to see it with the grout on as well. Okay, so I went to the office today and a lot of stuff has happened since I've been away. The plasterboarding has been done over here. So we can finally get Ren out to do the final measure. They came the other day and he said it's not done enough. So we just need to do in there, because they won't measure in there until the plasterboard's on the wall. So once the plasterboard's on the wall, they can measure and we can get all this hidden. Can't wait. But yeah, we also have a bit of self-level down. It really smells. But yeah, I think they're going to need a few more bags, because that was a lot deeper than the rest of it. But yeah, so we've had all that was plasterboarded last week. We've had all that steel beam hidden. Bit of new plasterboard appeared over there. And this one's a new piece. We've also had all that up there plasterboarded, which is great. So yeah, it was nice to come home from the office and have a lot done. So that's how downstairs is looking. But I need to walk the plank just to go to the bathroom. So see you in a minute. Okay, so you can kind of see the plasterboard better from up here. So don't know how they're going to get over there, and I don't know how we're going to get over there to paint. That's another situation for another day. Okay, so yesterday you could see that we were painting in here. Yes, you can't really see in here, I'm afraid. But all of this has been painted white. Tried to leave around there, because obviously the plasters need to come back and do the windows. So tried to leave a line across there, but honestly that paint spray does such a good coverage. I wish you could see it. But yeah, the real magic is happening in the bathroom. So we've had the tiles done mostly, apart from just over there. All the tiles done, and then the toilet apparently is plumbed in with the water but not the waste pipe, so we've got to make sure we don't flush it, but there's no flush there, so that's all good. But yeah, so this is getting installed. Got to be careful with the... And then this is the shower. These tiles, they're not grey, they're off-white apparently, and they've got very warm tones in them. So you can't see what I'm seeing at the moment, but the sun's beaming through there, and they do look like a warm, like off-white colour, which is really nice in here. But they look grey on the camera, which is not what I wanted them to look like, but oh, I just love the gold. So So good. So yeah, that's my little update for you. We also just painted or miscoated that wall over there. We've been told just not to do the hallways. I think they need to come back and fix up some of the plastering. So yeah, and this is how the front room is currently looking. So yeah, in terms of the painting, we will probably wait until the bathroom's done so that we can clear the upstairs and then do a proper last coat, aside from the mist coat, so that we're trying to do that before the windows turn up, because once the windows turn up, we've got to mask everything off to make sure that the sprayer doesn't go all over the windows. So yeah, we're looking forward to just kind of like getting that done before the windows arrive. But yeah, so up here is like looking decent in terms of paint. So just a hallway to do for a mist coat, and then it's pretty much got white everywhere. We do need to order some internal doors though. Okay, so down here looks a little bit of the same as earlier in the week, but it's different. If you look over in this corner, like this corner is just giving me peace. My eyes are at peace in this view. All that ugly brickwork up the stairs is gone. So we had like cement blocks, we had red brick, we had painted white brick. All that's been hidden now. So a lot of the plasterboarding is nearly finished. There's still a little bit to do before Ren can come out and measure, but we are nearly there. And yeah, I'm just loving how quiet it feels on my eyes, because that yellow wall in there, I'll be very happy to see the back of that, because we've been staring at it for 4 months now. So I'm looking forward to saying goodbye to that sore sight. But yeah, it's all coming along. It's all looking wicked. So I am just, yeah, looking forward to getting it all plasterboarded and eventually getting the plasterers in. So yeah, that's how down here is looking. I've also been on the hunt for bathroom tiles, and this sample from Claybook arrived, and safe to say I ordered them straight away. They're stunning. Okay, so we just pop into B&Q now because we need to get a vanity unit, and we also have no idea what internal doors we want, and we're coming to look at kitchen handles, so lots to think about. Okay, so we're thinking about getting these ones. So this particular B&Q didn't have any of those left, but they did have 2 in clearance. So I got them for 2 of them for £4 when they're actually £14. So I was quite happy with that. But later on in the week, we ended up going to a different B&Q and we ordered, well, we picked up 17 packets. So we found our kitchen handles. So we both quite like these ones, but also quite like this one here. Looks nice. I originally wanted the 1930s ones like this, but our bungalow's 1940s. I just feel like I can't do it. Just can't do it. So we're still none the wiser. No. Okay, so by Friday, this is how the bathroom was looking. Can I just say, it is looking stunning. I am obsessed. I didn't take any videos of the downstairs, but I wanted to get some wide angle shots of how it was looking. But yeah, all the plasterboarding was pretty much done now, apart from around the waste pipe. So definitely ready enough for Ren to come on Monday and do their survey. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, so today's job is to do a second coat all upstairs, because tomorrow we're having the windows installed. I honestly cannot wait. So dark and dreary in here. Yeah, so what we're going to do is just move everything out of here into the 4th bedroom after we've painted it. So yeah, we need to get everything out of the 4th bedroom first, and we can get going. Okay guys, so this is PPE at its finest. I don't want to get paint all over my hair, so I'm wearing a shower cap, and these are the only pair of glasses I can find that I don't want. So looking a little bit like Elton John. Okay, so I didn't actually film anything after starting to paint because I didn't want to do another time lapse because it was literally just white on white, and I was thinking I will get some shots when it's dry. It got dark so early that I didn't even have a chance to like film anything. So I was thinking I'll do it the next day, but then the next day the windows arrived quite early in the morning. So I didn't want to have any spoilers in this week's videos for next week's video. So yeah, you will see the paint in next week's video as well as the windows. They have arrived. They look so, so good. And just to say as well, if you are following me on Instagram, I often upload things on Instagram stories in real time. So be sure to follow me on there as well if you want to have some sneak peeks of what's going on behind the scenes in the week. But yeah, lots of things happen next week. Ren come, we order the kitchen, we also have the windows, which is the most exciting thing, I think. That's what we've been waiting for. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It just lets me know that people are actually watching and following along, and I will see you in next week's video. Wait for the windows.